Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation is crucial if you'd like to download the app not from the App Store, so for example from the browser or any other source. So you have to open the settings. Let's start with that. Then we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Scroll down again to find more security and privacy, and here we've got the option install apps from external sources. So let's enter, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download something from Chrome. So let's tap on the browser and tap on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.